Lenovo Legion Y70 144Hz fast refresh rate OLED display, flagship processor, 50 megapixel triple camera setup, solid in design, huge battery, fast charging and many more. Today I will show you unboxing and the first impression of the Lenovo Legion Y70. Hey guys, Maiky from the techmaiky. Please consider subscribing, turning on the notification by hitting that bell icon for more amazing tech videos. We have start with the quick unboxing just to show you the box content. In the box you get the Lenovo Legion Y70 phone SIM ejector tool with this Legion branding on the top, 68-watt power adapter with Type-C output, Type-C to C cable and case and some documentation. Now let's unwrap the plastic and talk about the design and build. The Legion Y70 adopts the most popular rectangular design. The right angle frame makes the whole phone looks more three-dimensional with the flat screen and the glass back panel. The integrated visual effect is stronger. The Legion Y70 is also outstanding in terms of the grip. The aviation aluminum material is also used as a material of the middle frame, which not only has a sufficient strength but also highlights the texture. The frame is integrated into the wire drawing process and the overall corners are neatly cut with a matte-like coating. It brings a good grip and the comfort to everyone. When it's come to the low-key appearance, we have to look at the back design of the Legion Y70 on the simple back panel of the body. The camera module is particularly delicate. The design of the metal ladder adds a lot of layer to the module. The layered design it effectively hides the bulge of the lens and making the body more beautiful, conscious and layered. The thickness of the phone is only 7.9 mm and the weight is around 209 grams. And there is no burden to hold it with one hand. The front of the phone adopts a 6.67-inch OLED flexible straight screen with a resolution of 2400 by 1080p. The screen adopts a narrow edge solution and the screen ratio is very high, which can bring you a very bold visual effect. For high performance mobile phones, a high quality screen is more likely to bring you a sense of satisfaction. 144Hz 5-speed smart high refresh rate solution and 1500Hz instant touch sampling rate, HDR10+, Dolby Vision, global DC dimming. Just rely on this. The parameter believes that everyone knows how it performs when it playing games. The Legion Y70 is not stingy in terms of the hardware stacking. It not only uses the first generation Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 mobile platform with the strongest performance, but also is equipped with the super full-blooded version of the LPDDR5 and UFS 3.1 storage. Not only can app stay in the market for up to 12 hours in the background, but also optimize the operating speed of the software and the app retention ability. You can see the benchmark score. Phone score around 11,876 points in Antutu. You can play the high-end game in the high settings. The average frame rate in Honor of King is around 119.5 frames, which almost realizes the smooth operation of the full frames. There is no fluctuation in the frame rate curve and the overall is very smooth. The machine is not only equipped with the Dolby Atmos dual speakers but also brings you a X-axis linear motor, supports more than 130 scenes and 11 level of intensity adjustment. You can quickly switch the vibration style according to your own preferences to ensure you can get the timely feedback for each track. In Legion Y70 not only has a super large VC vapor chamber with a thickness of 5047 mm, a thickness of 0.55 mm, a multi-layer graphene 3-dimensional thermal conductive plates and the 12 temperature sensors can be combined with the real-time monitoring of the ambient temperature to provide a different temperature control solutions, which can provide you a good cooling experience while maintaining the stable performance. Let's talk about the camera. The rear camera module accommodates a 50 megapixel 1x1.5 inch outsole main camera, a 13 megapixel macro wide angle camera and a 2 megapixel depth of field lens. Among them, the main camera supports OIS anti-shake and the EIS algorithm, which can not only dynamically compensate for the mobile phone shake but also use the EIS algorithm to stable produce movie for everyone. You can see the photo samples. The Legion Y70 packs a large 5100 mAh battery for us in the 7.9 mm thin body and it also equipped with the 68-watt fast charging. It only takes 34 minutes to blood 80% of the mobile phone's battery. Y70 is equipped with the gallium nitride charging and standards, which can achieve a smaller volume under the same power and can also provide a 65-watt PD power power for the notebook and other devices when traveling. Let's talk about the price. Lenovo Legion Y70 price of the base variant in UK is around £370. You can see the other variants price here. Throughout the smartphone market, there are many products with the performance as their main selling point. But there is still no clear answer to the pain point of the small number of users. The purpose of the Legion Y70 is very clear while satisfying everyone's desire for performance. It can also give everyone the appearance of the normal mobile phone, richer configuration and the higher cost of performance. We can't see the Legion Y70 as a product testing the water, and the success may become a new benchmark in the performance mobile phone market. So what do you guys think about it? Tell us your thoughts in the comment section below. If you have any questions, just comment below. I will answer them soon. Also give the video thumbs up and make sure to share with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, me signing off. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and keep smiling, and I will see you in the next one.